Spice. One single crochet in the chains 4 space of the round 20. Chains 5. One single crochet in the 4th chains 4 space 2 of the round 20. Chain 1. Continue working in the round 25. 3 double crochets close together. Chain 1. One single crochet front post in the puff of the round 26. Chain 1. Repeat this sequence 9 more times. Three double crochets close together to the left of the last popcorn of the round 25. Chain 1. Repeat 3 more times. Close with 1 slip stitch in the first single crochet. Total 44 3 double crochets close together, 40 single crochets front post, 8 single crochets, 4 chains 5, 88 chains 1. Dark brown or graph height. Let's work each side separately. 1 single crochet front post in the single crochet front post found on the last puff of the round 27. 1/2 double crochet front post in the 3 double crochets close together of the round 27. 1 double crochet in the chain 1 space of the round 27. 1/2 double crochet front post in the puff of the round 23. Two half double crochets in the chain 1 space of the round 23. 1/2 double crochet front post in the next puff of the round 23. Repeat in reverse. Cut the yarn. Repeat on the other sides. Total 8 double crochets, 2 per side, 8 half double crochets, 2 per side, 16 half double crochets front post, 4 per side, 8 single crochets front post, 2 per side. Dark brown or graphite. 1/2 double crochet front post in the last 3 double crochets close together of the round 27. 10 half double crochets front post. One half double crochet front post in the second 3 double crochets close together of the round 27. Cut the yarn. Repeat on the other sides. Total 48 half double crochets front post, 12 per side. Dark brown or graphite. 1 half double crochet in the chains 1 space of the round 27, to the right of the first half double crochet front post previous round. One half double crochet in the next chains 1 space of the round 27. Work in the back loop of the round 28. 10 half double crochets. Repeat in reverse. Cut the yarn. Repeat on the other sides. Total 56 half double crochets, 14 per side. Dark brown or graphite. 1 half double crochet front post to the right of the first stitch of the previous round. Fourteen half double crochets front post. One half double crochets front post to the left of the last stitch of the previous round. Cut the yarn. Repeat on the other sides. Total 64 half double crochets front post, 16 per side. Dark brown or graphite. 27 half double crochets performing in the chain 1 space of the round 27 to the left of the last stitch of the previous round. Work 14 half double crochets in the back loop of the round 30. Repeat 3 more times. Close with 1 slip stitch in the first half double crochet. Total 164 half double crochets. Dark brown or graphite. Work 1 half double crochet front post on each stitch of the previous round. In total, there are 164 half double crochets front post. Close with 1 slip stitch in the first half double crochet front post.